Hello everyone, my name is Anna and I'm a fitness trainer. Glad to see you on my channel. Today I will show you a very good stretching exercise. Let's start! For the exercise, we will need blocks for stretching and knee pads. The first exercise option, starting position, sitting on the floor. One leg is starting, so is stretched over itself. The other leg is bent at the knee. We keep on the back straight on exhalation. Bend the body forward. Do not bend on the legs at the knee. The next version of the exercise, one leg is straight and on the other we take a sitting position. The foot is raised on the toe and repeat as in the first exercise. This version of the exercise gives us the opportunity to remove the load from the lower back. For this, we use a block. Take a sitting position on the edge of the block and repeat. I hope you liked today's video. Subscribe to my channel, like, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.